Okay, let's look at some questions that might ask you about the symmetry, if a shape is symmetrical or non-symmetrical. We're going to be looking at these shapes right here to see if they are symmetrical or non-symmetrical. So when you are looking at a shape, you have to look at two things. If there is a line that you can draw, I'm not going to provide this line for you, or nobody is, but if it's an imaginary line you can draw, in this case here we have for this shape, for this rectangle, and actually in this for every rectangle, there are two lines of symmetry, one that is vertical and one that is horizontal. In this case here, so here there are two lines of symmetry for this rectangle. This shape right here, this is not a symmetrical shape, because there isn't any line that you can draw in this case that would make this line, shape, if you cut it pretty much in half, you would have identical shape. So for example, if you have a line like this, that won't work. If you have one like this, you're gonna have one side is gonna be bent, this side here is gonna be a penta, it has 5 sides, I guess, and this one here would have 4 sides if you trace that shape right here. So that wouldn't work either, and if you put a horizontal line also, that would not work. So this shape right here is non-symmetrical. This shape here right here is a heart. It's on the side, not the way it's normally drawn, and you can imagine here that yes, you can put a line of symmetry in the middle, and that is, again, it's not going to be provided to you, but you can draw it yourself, or you can imagine it. You don't have to draw it on a piece of paper. And also this shape right here, you can draw a line here. There are no other lines that I can see, to be honest. That if you can see one, that would be great. This 3 arrow shape also, if you draw a line in the middle, that will break the top part. It's going to be or a mirror image of the bottom part. This rectangle here, this triangle, I don't see a line of symmetry. I don't see any line that I can draw here that would make one side a reflection of the other. Okay, so this is when you're talking about something being symmetrical or not symmetrical. Some people's faces are not symmetrical, some are. For example, you have the right side of your face, the same or mirror image of the left side of your face. That is an example where people usually use it in real life. And that's it.